Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to format slicer in Excel for better design. So let's start this in my Excel and here you can see I have one slicer. So here I'm going to format the slicer for better design. So simply click on the slicer and go to the slicer tab and you can see the slicer styles is available. Just click on this drop down arrow and you can select here the different style in light style and dark style and you can custom your new style also. So I select here the dark style. See here the color is changed. If you want to increase the slicer size, you just drag the corner and you can set okay here. And the second way is just go to the slicer tab and in size group, you can increase the height. So you just click on the up arrow to increase the height and decrease the click on the down arrow. And same for the width, click on the up arrow to increase the width of slicer. See the changes over here and click on the down arrow to decrease the width of size. Okay. And for button size, you can select here the height. You can just click on the up arrow to increase the button height. You can see here in slicer, the button height is increasing. If you want to decrease it, just click on the down arrow to decrease the height of the button. Okay. And width, if you want to increase, just click on the up arrow, down arrow to decrease. Okay. If you want in slicer buttons in two columns, so you just click on the up arrow in two column. You can see three columns. Okay, four column. You can set accordingly and you can select this way also. See the changes over. You can set horizontal way slicer also. Okay, in four columns. Okay, if you want to decrease this column, so just click on the down arrow. You can enter manually here also. Okay, just click on the arrow and you can see the two column here showing. You can just drag the corner and set accordingly. Okay, so this is a way you can design your slicer. And if you want to hide this header, you can it. So just click on the slicer. Again, go to the slicer tab. In slicer group, click on the slicer settings option. And here you can see the slicer settings dialog box is open. And header, you can just untick this option, display header, and click on OK. And you can see only the slicer button is showing. Okay. So you can set accordingly here and just click on it and filter your data. Here you can see data is filtered. If you want to filter in multiple step product, so you just hold the control key and select the second product, third product, and you can see the data also filter accordingly selection. Okay. So this is a way you can design your slicer in Excel. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.